Alright everybody, it's Vito. Welcome back to another video, guys. If you're in the market for a new phone and you're looking at the Google Pixel phones, this is the video for you. I did an unboxing and a review of the Google Pixel 4a 5G. And then I'm going to tell you why I chose that one over the 5. Uh, they're both good phones. The Google Pixel 5 is a very appealing phone. If you want the newest phones out in the market, you might want to go for the 5. But I'm going to tell you why I don't think it's worth it to go to the 5 if you can just pick up the 4A. So let's jump right into the unboxing and the review, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content like this, guys. I really appreciate it. We are past the 100 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you. I really appreciate it, guys. So let's keep going and let's go for the 200 now. Thank you, guys. Alright, everybody. So I picked up this phone over the weekend, and so far I'm having a good time. It's a good size phone. The display is amazing. Is 6.2 inches, which is like almost as big as the Google Pixel 2 XL. But then it's slightly bigger than the Google Pixel 5. So that's one of the reasons why I picked up this phone over the 5. Okay, that was the first reason. The second reason was the price. It's $200 difference between the two phones. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the specs of the phone so that you can see the memory RAM, that you can see the technology that it uses on the display. Okay, and then you can notice that the GPU and is 128 gigabytes of storage. When you open the box, the first thing you see is the phone, and it looks fantastic. It feels good to the touch. I really recommend to get a case for it. If you're not into cases, well, that's okay. The phone feels good. It's a little bit slippery, I'm gonna say, but not too much. I don't think you're gonna be dropping that phone uh, very often if you don't get a case. Let's see what else we get in the box. And we get a book that tells you how to set up your phone, basically. We also get a key for your SIM card, and it shows you how to insert it and how to take it off. It comes with the charger. This is the brick charger, and then the cable, which is USB port C, and it also comes with an adapter. So this adapter goes from normal USB to USB port C as well. You can see here the differences between these two phones, and then you're gonna notice that it's not really too much of a difference. Okay, so if you can see the display, the 4A is a little bit bigger. They both can do 4K video captures and pictures. The gigabytes memory RAM is different, so the 4A has 6 gigabytes and the other one only has 8 gigabytes. So that's a difference. But then the price is $200 difference, and I think that's a big deal. Here you can see the phone side by side to the Google Pixel 2 XL. On the left is the Google Pixel 4a 5G, and it's not a big difference in size between those two phones. Now look at the cameras. They have two 14 megapixel cameras in the back, and then one 8 megapixel camera in the front, and it can capture 4K videos, 4K pictures. Is very snappy and very sharp. Now the saturation colors are amazing. Like, they did a very good job with this phone, you guys. So I really recommend it if you're in the market for a new smartphone, you guys. So please pick this up, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it. uh, this channel is growing slowly but surely, guys. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.